swear it was this dream I had. I had the same dream all the time. Didn't know what it was. Let me tell you about my dream.
I swear that I was dreaming, I swear that I was asleep. I had the same dream every day of the week. They had the same concept, it was money, fame, and cars. But when I woke up, there were no money, fame, and stars. You will never understand, I think my dream is coming true. But no one will believe me, I'm singing it like the proof. But now I'm in the booth, and I know that I'm awake. Maybe if you heard the story, you would understand me. And I can only thank God, I bet he feel like he the man. We played the same game, same pawn, same man. But I think that you should know about my dream. When you see me in the future, man, that's where I'm gonna be. Make my dreams come true, I pray about it every day. It make me try harder, the money, the cause and fame. I want money like I'm Benjamin, wait to me every day. Maybe I can be the president, rule it my own way. And when you in my city, you gonna obey me. Give it a whole new name, call it nigga obey me. And when you in the White House, nigga just pay me. I was balling out my Rolls Royce, speeding out in my Beamer. I kept choppers on my hip in case niggas gon' spray me. I had dinner with Obama and went shopping with Michelle. Had a party in my living room after my show and tell. And now we party at Will Wayne. Had a few more shots with Tiger. Met the Harajuku Bobby. The kush that we had was fire. Then went home, sweet home to my early morning alarm. I woke up in the morning like, oh my God, it was only just a dream. It was only just a dream, but I still had to watch that Kobe done gave me. Got my McDonald's uniform and got ready for my shit. On my way to the bus, I've been feeling really pissed, cause I had 3 cars and I thought that was the shit.